my name's Rick First, Truck Smart Isuzu, 905 Lincoln Highway in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. And I'm here to talk to you about this 2022 stake body Ram 4500. It has a Hemi 6.4 liter engine. And I want to show you some features on the interior. And this truck features a Park View rear backup camera, Uconnect 3 media display, Tradesman Level 1 equipment group, Chrome appearance group, remoteless key entry, push button start, power trailer tow mirrors, and power windows. Now I want to talk some features about the 12-foot diamond plate body, stake pockets, 42-inch removable sides, set up for trailer tow, and 36-inch underbody toolbox. And once again, this 2022 is on sale now. My name is Rick First, 215-946-7221, extension 101.